Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Tolaccea travel bag with a large capacity of 45 liter. It's a foldable sports bag for men. Yeah, of course, for women too. And kids too. It's a portable gym backpack, a waterproof with shoe compartment and wet compartment for weekender. Yeah, it's a woman duffel bag. That's really cool because it comes to you and it looks so little and tiny and sweet and cute, but if you are build it up by unlocking the device, you will get a big bag because it's a foldable sports bag. This foldable multifunctional sports bag is lightweight and compact with a folding size of only 30 to 24 to 27 centimeters. It can be used as a chest, pocket or a small daypack. It can be easily folded into a small bag and takes up very little space. And the other way, or the other side of this device, 45 liter travel bag large size, is 51 to 25 to 33 centimeters. The travel bag has 14 pockets of different sizes. The main compartment can hold clothes for 3 up to 4 days, and the front compartment can hold wet towels or wet clothes. In that there are mesh pockets and 2 side pockets in which other items can be stored and organized. The gym bag can be easily stored in sports lockers and airplane luggage. It comes, I think it's the right dimension. It's the right dimension. It's not too big, it's not too small, because you can get there a lot of stuff inside, or you use it in a small version, then it's a day backpack, for example. Then it's a sports bag with shoe compartment and wet compartment too. The men's sports bag offers enough space for wet towels, toiletries, etc. The self-contained shoe compartment has 2 breathable and deodorant suction holes that can accommodate shoes of different sizes. And my shoes here are what it was. I think it is 46. It's large, okay, and it matches all. No problem of matching in this thing here. That means different sizes. And it is the first choice for the fitness enthusiasts out there. And we have a waterproof high quality travel bag here. The travel bag is made of high quality nylon fabric, which is waterproof, tear resistant and durable. We have a high quality zipper in it. It's not rusty, it's not easy to break, and more smooth to use. The shoulder strap is made of high density plastic and a metal ring to prevent breakage. And it's a multifunction sports bag. It's really cool. Equipped with adjustable and padded shoulder straps to ensure a maximum comfort for shoulder and hands. We can easily adjust the length of the shoulder strap, so we can also fold or fold it to a travel bag, into a chest bag, for example, or a backpack, or a large travel bag. That's all possible, and it's easy possible, as you can see. Whenever we go to the gym, swimming pool, sports field, travel, etc., this bag can come with it. It is very portable and so different. You can make so many pockets, bags, backpacks out of this one Tolaccea travel bag. That's smart designed, and it is durable because it feels really good. It's from a good quality, and it's the right dimensions for sports enthusiasts out there. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.